Have you been thinking of working from home? Have you been thinking of having a side hustle where you can bring in some coins? You know what I'm talking about? Dollars or pounds by the side. If you're thinking of it, I have one very important and juicy offer for you, and it is user testing. I've been in the UK for 7 years, but I haven't heard of it until late. And I'm like, oh my goodness, this is a great opportunity. I've heard of so many remote opportunities and I have not heard of this. Do you know the beautiful thing about Oneforma is that it doesn't matter what qualifications you have, if you're a student, a professional, if you just don't have WAEC or GCSE or O levels, you can actually earn money on this platform. It's an opportunity for you to test some apps, features, or maybe websites to see how it's functioning, and you can give feedback to the employer and you can earn some points and you can get paid at the same time. Some testings can be just for 5 minutes, for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and they pay maybe like $10 or $20. And I've seen testing that goes as high as $100. Wouldn't it be amazing to earn $100 in 30 minutes or an hour? It depends on the type of projects that you're involved with. And it can replace your side hustle, just like my friend here who is thinking seriously about resigning from her job because she has used these particular platforms to earn more than her current employer pays her. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can register on Oneforma step by step so that it's so clear for you. You can start getting projects immediately. I have a link in the description box if you're interested in earning money from home, which is very flexible. It doesn't matter the time of the day. You can just do this work however time you feel it's suitable for you. And you can just, some people wake up at night at 1 a.m. and they're just doing this thing back in Nigeria. And they're earning, supplementing their income, and life is going on. So if you're interested in this option, just watch this video till the end. Hello everybody, my name is Cynthia. I share information that will help your transition abroad to be as smooth as possible. I talk about working, settling, schooling in the UK, US, Canada. If any of these countries interest you, please subscribe to this channel. Hit on the notification bell so that each time I drop a video, you know it's time to watch Cynthia Academy, because I do not hoard information here. This is a happy family. And without wasting time, let's get into this video. Like I said, I'm going to be showing you how you can register on Oneforma and start getting projects, how you can use some of the tabs there and some of the features there so that you start earning as soon as possible. Let's go. This is the Oneforma website. As you can see, there are a list of things you can do: grader, translator, annotator, tester, content creator. But we just log in when you get your link. Then you fill in your first name, last name, username, email, password, confirm your password, include your city and country of residence, and click on next. This next page says it's time to join the Oneforma community. So you include your native languages, just maximum of 3. Then how did you hear about us? Then you can choose I'm interested in opportunities in a maximum of 10. As you can see here, I'm trying to select the languages I speak. I speak Igbo, so I just put Igbo there. Then you say I am an expert in maximum of 5 items. There are just many options to choose from. You surely find something for you, translation. There's just so many things to choose from. Just take your time and select what you want to do, because it determines the type of job offers you will receive. And then, you upload a file, which is optional. Then you tick, I have read and agreed to the terms of condition for using Oneforma pages. So you are going to sign an NDA for this particular site. So just prepare yourself. After ticking all the boxes and signing all the documents, then you have to answer the I am not a robot question. Then tick on submit. It will take you to this page. It says one more step. Thank you for signing up to become a member of our community. So it says we are looking forward to working with you, and thanks for registering. You will soon receive an email to confirm your registration. So what you need to do is just go to your email and confirm your registration. So you try and log in, and then if you go to your profile, you will be able to complete your profile details. Just go to payment information right here. Use Payoneer. Payoneer is so easy to do and set up. Click on sign up to Payoneer, then you fill in all your details. The beautiful thing about it is that if you're a Nigerian or maybe in Ghana or any African country, your bank details can easily be linked to your Payoneer so that you can withdraw any money you make from this user testing sites. After completing that, let me show you how you can start making money. Now, immediately I subscribed. It just took a few days. I started receiving offers of projects to get involved with. But one thing you can also do is you go to UHRS. UHRS is just an online platform on Oneforma. So it has the benefits of earning extra income, work anytime you want from anywhere you want. You don't need any specific skills in order to get on board. They will give you access to new jobs. So it's very important that you apply. Click on apply. Instead of waiting for jobs to pop into your email, another way to get jobs is click on my jobs here, and then you will see this. As you can see, there are opportunities here. This one has 118 opportunities. So if you keep clicking by the side, you will see many other opportunities. If you scroll down this page, you will see other opportunities. So there are just so many jobs you can do, That's why I say share this information with all your family and friends and subscribe to this channel. If you want me to keep sharing content like this that you can make money from home and you don't need to step out in the snow. It snowed a few days ago. Look at my little one enjoying the view. So it doesn't matter where you are, whether you're in Africa, Asia, this would actually benefit you. So let's just continue. So just choose one job and tackle it. If you click on one of the opportunities, you see something like this. It has the name of the project, the job ID, internet, something. So I just blurred it because of NDA, just to protect the company. This shows you the date published, available until, so the deadline for the project, the number of openings. It needs 694 more people. It has additional requirements. A curriculum is required to apply for this job ad. So just consider that. Language, English, United Kingdom. Then the rate is 0.1 USD per hit. Per hit, so not per hour or per minute. Just don't confuse that. It does not require you to have any certifications. That's why it says none here. I'll show you the one that requires certification and how you can go about it. This is another job opportunity or project. As you can see, it has the date published, available until, number of openings, 100 of them, and it needs additional requirements. Required primary phone number to be verified. Yes, some jobs here don't need you to have a laptop. A phone is just enough. Now you can see that the rate is $10 per hour, and to be sincere with you, there are some jobs that are just $10 for 5 minutes or $10 for 10 minutes. Just be prepared to see jobs like that. As you can see, it requires certifications, 2 of them. So I blurred a bit of it so that I will protect the information there. So how you can go about it is that you just click on certifications and surveys. When you click on that part, this will pop up. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to type the name or the name of the certification in this box here called certification name. Once the test pops up, you can now start the test. The first test I will advise you to do without even having a job is welcome to Oneforma. Click on it, follow all the instructions they gave you there. Sometimes they give you number of times you can try. Sometimes you need 3 attempts, sometimes 2 attempts. Just different certifications you can try. And when you complete the certification, you can now apply for the job. Another tab that is very important is My Jobs tab. When you go here, you can see jobs that are pending or in progress. You can see the projects you've completed, and you can also see rejected or expired jobs. If you have any questions, don't forget to use the FAQ. You will notice that some of the confusions you might have or maybe questions you have has already been answered by the team here. So I wish you the best. Start making some money. I almost forgot. This is one important aspect. You can make money by referring your friends. Go to profile, then you click on invite your friends, and then this will open. Scroll down, just scroll down. You will see the referral URL link. then you can send that link to your friends and your family to join. It wouldn't even affect their earning. It's just something that helps you get some money back from time to time. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've benefited from it. Please like, share, subscribe. And if you like content like this, please write it in the comments. I can bring more content like this that will help you earn some cash from home. Thank you so much and bye-bye.